they will be using instruments. The first number they're going to do for you is Aye Nihao, which they will be doing the hula kala'au. And this mele was taught to my kumu back in the 80s when they went on a journey to Papua New Guinea. And then the second mele they're going to do for you is Heinani Haupu, which is a hula kuolo. That was for a person that was on the island of Oahu, and was looking down below the valley at Ka'ala, and was thinking of their home in Kauai. First they do for you Aya Ni'ihau.
Aya Nihau.